What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Ron and welcome to my channel, a channel where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. Now in today's video, I'm going to share with you all 6 habits that you need to develop today. I repeat, today, if you want to grow your YouTube channel. A lot of people think that YouTube is just a physical job. They think that a whole YouTube thing is all physical, but au contraire, it's actually mainly mental. So before we get to these habits, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that way you guys are able to see more videos like this. Now the first habit that you need to develop on YouTube if you really want to see a growth in your channel is patience. A lot of people that actually get on YouTube have zero patience because they are not used to seeing a slow progress like YouTube. You know, YouTube is not something that you get on today and tomorrow you're gonna see a big difference. This is not one of those get rich quick scheme thing going on right now. This is not that. When you come on YouTube, you have to know that it's gonna take time in order for you to see any result or any success. This is a game of patience. Patience is gonna be one of the habits that's gonna help you take your channel far, because you are not gonna come on YouTube with a closed mindset, but instead with an open mindset that's gonna be filled with so much patience. The second habit that you want to develop on YouTube to grow your channel is discipline. Now we all know that we get motivated every single time. Every time that we see someone on YouTube become successful, we get motivated right away. But then we lack one thing that kind of holds us back, and that is discipline. Now we can get motivated today, and that motivation might go away tomorrow. We can get motivated right now in the next couple of minutes, but next thing you know, as soon as something happens, that motivation fades away. But when we've really become disciplined on YouTube, it does not matter what we have going on in our life. It does not matter if someone is being successful on YouTube or not. We will get the job done no matter what. We will be posting our videos on time, every week, every month, no matter what. Now, we all know that discipline is better than motivation. You can be motivated for a small period of time or even a longer period of time, but that will always fade away. But discipline is what's gonna get you to the next level, because you are actually getting the job done even when you don't feel like getting it done. So guys, if you really want to grow your channel on YouTube, you have to be disciplined, guys, because we know this is not a piece of cake. YouTube is a very competitive platform, but only a few people are able to succeed, and those are the most disciplined people, okay? The people that never give up even when they're not able to see any results on YouTube. So guys, please stay disciplined when you get on YouTube, please, and it's gonna help you on the long run. The third habit that you need to develop on YouTube is contentment. Now I know that when you guys first start your channel, okay, and when you guys are not able to see growth, when you guys are not able to see likes or views, you tend to kind of get down a little bit. You get sad a little bit, okay? Because you know you have been disciplined. You know you have been patient, but yet you are still not seeing results. But here's what I'm going to tell you. If you know for sure that you have put in the work, you have put in the hours, the sweat and the tears in order for you to create an amazing video, you have to be content. You have to be really happy about the work that you have put in, because I guarantee you, even if you're not able to see results today, tomorrow someone is going to notice the hard work that you put out there. And I guarantee you on the long run, it's definitely going to pay off. So guys, definitely develop this contentment habit, because the fourth habit that you want to develop on YouTube is longevity. Now I know when you start YouTube, it can get frustrated. It can really get frustrated because you get burned out so fast. You get burned out so easily, and your longevity level, it kind of just shrinks down because you are burned out. You can be patient. You can be disciplined. You can have all these amazing habits, but when you don't have that longevity, okay, when you're not able to go for a long period of time without really getting burned out, I guarantee you, you're gonna end up quitting YouTube for good. So one thing that I'm gonna advise you guys is to really develop a longevity habit, okay? A habit that you guys are able to go for a long period of time without giving up so fast, without giving up so easy. You guys can go for a long period of time without getting too burned out, without getting too tired, and that alone is gonna pay off a greater price at the end of the day. So guys, longevity is one thing that I know for sure that I have, man. I can go years of just me posting content, and even if I don't get views or like or whatever the case is, I'm not gonna get burned out, guys. I have so much passion behind this YouTube thing. I love to teach. Regardless if I'm getting 50 views, 2 views, 30 views, I am not giving up. I'm not burning up too quick, because I know that I have developed a longevity habit. Now the fifth habit that you need to develop on YouTube, now this habit right here is what a lot of the newbies on YouTube have really worked on. If you are a beginner on YouTube, this is maybe one of the biggest habits that you really need to work on, and that is working on your defense mechanism, okay? Now your body automatically reacts to negativity. Whenever you see a negative comment, okay, do not get frustrated, okay? Don't feel bad about the comment. Don't let that comment get to you. Don't let that comment get to you, because we know automatically your body is going to react. But it is up to you to actually work on that, okay? If you feel like your defense mechanism is actually in control, you gotta put a stop to that, okay? You have to realize that those people that's probably putting those comments, you're never gonna see them in your life, okay? And don't let those comments put you down. Don't let it be the reason why you are quitting YouTube. You need to work on that. You need to work on not letting those comments or those moments that really put you down to really change your whole perspective on how you see YouTube, okay? Because this is your time to shine, all right? This is is the platform that you chose, okay? The only person that is in control of this whole thing is you. So you should not let any moron, whoever is out there, really put you down, okay? Don't let your body automatically react to those negativity out there, because it's only gonna create a toxicity environment on your YouTube channel. Last but not least, guys, this is by far maybe one of the most important habits that you guys really want to create, or you guys really want to develop when you guys are starting your YouTube channel, and that is to have gratitude, guys. You guys have to be thankful for everything that you guys have, everything that you guys are doing, because we know that a lot of people have not gotten the opportunity to do or make any YouTube content. A lot of people have not gotten the opportunity to even sit in front of a camera and talk to the camera like their best friend. A lot of people have not gotten that opportunity, but the fact that you're able to do so, okay, you have to be grateful for that, because that's a blessing and a privilege that you have over a lot of people in this world, okay? You have a blessing and a privilege to actually be able to one day break generational curses in your family, okay? So use this platform as a way for you to grow mentally, physically, spiritually, however you want to flourish, because at the end of the day, you chose to get on YouTube for a reason. So guys, I know this video was not maybe one of my longest videos, but it was just a video for you guys to really know what kind of habits you really want to develop when you start your YouTube channel, or when you really want to go far on YouTube. These habits are going to be very essential for you, because your subscribers can smell a bad habit from a mile away. They can smell if you have a nasty attitude, a bad habit from miles away, guys. You cannot hide that from your subscribers. They will be the first people to tell you what you need to work on, okay? So why not just work on that before they catch on to it, okay? Again, guys, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I am mainly on Instagram at itstheron_. Appreciate y'all, man. Love y'all, and I'm out. Woo!